I'm gonna just start this off like this. When you try and go to the next level for real, you gotta push yourself. And when I go to the lot, I know where I've been at. I watch my video, you know what I mean? So I know where I'm at and I know where I wanna be. So it's a thin line between good and great. I'm perfectly fine. I'm good. Like, I'm good. You understand what I'm saying? Let me show you. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I'm good. But when I'm out at the lot, I'm trying to be great. I'm trying to be great. I ain't scared to fall. You know what I mean? Why would I hop on a bike and a wheelie? You know what I mean? Why would I hop on a bike and wheelie if I'm scared to fall? I'm not scared to fall. That's why I'm willing. I'm trying to live on 12. You understand what I'm saying? I'm trying to marry 12. That's what I'm in this game for. I hate you, Kelly.
Just gonna do my little, broke my phone holder a little bit the other day with the crash and all that, but it's cool, yo. My helmet broke too. I gotta get me something different. I gotta get me a new helmet. I got on the bike next day. You dig? Yeah, the weather, it looked like it was gonna be raining and stuff earlier. And then whole time popped out, the weather got nicer and nicer for us. The day went on, so I was like, yo, it's no way. Like, it's no way that I could just, it's no way I could just sit in the house, you feel me? Like, it's no way, zero. Okay, the bike warming up a little bit. I got some rattle noise in the front, you feel me? I got some rattle noise in the cabin for real. I gotta check that out. Something did something. I ain't tripping though. As long as the bike running, I'm good. I'm just glad I got a bike, to be honest with you. Cause I remember I just had the SSR for real. And I was like, it's crazy cause, hold up, let me tell y'all, let me take it back for real. We about to cruise down this road and I'm gonna take y'all back for real. So y'all just, man, y'all sit back and just listen to this. So like, it was in August for real, last August. It was June. Hold up, June, July, August, right? June, July. Oh, it was late June when I had got my 50cc scooter. I was literally just in the house. Like, I was like, damn, you feel me? I'm just in the house, like, I'm in the house bored. I'm like, hey, babe, I'm like, yo, I'm trying to go outside, you think? Like, I swear, I was like, man, I'm trying to go outside. Like, I'm bored. Like, I need to do something with myself after I get, done doing whatever I do or whatever. So I was like, I'm trying to get on the street. So I started looking at the street legal dirt bikes. And I'm like, damn, them gonna cost some money though. I'm like, damn. I said, I ain't trying to come up with 10 bands. Cause I was looking at the Honda 450L. That was my dream right there. Man, I'm going down Glen Burnie Motorsports. I'm like, yo, that 450L was calling my name. I'm like, how much y'all want for this? They talking about 10 bands. I said, damn, cuz. I'm like, damn. I'm like, damn, I can't afford him. And then they was like, well, I was looking at some other stuff for real. I was looking at the mini motos for real. I was looking at the Honda Monkey. I ain't even going to cap with y'all. I was just trying to get on the streets. I'm like, how much this? They like 4 bands. I said, dang, cuz. I'm like, all right. But I said, all right. He come back to me. He holler at me like, you know, even if you get this, you need a motorcycle license. I'm like, huh? He's like, yeah. I said, huh? He said, yeah, to operate this, it's a 135. You need a motorcycle. I said, huh? Yeah, he said, yeah. So I just left. I said, damn. So I went back to the house. I said, damn, baby, they was screaming out the motorcycle, like all that. You feel me? I'm just trying to get on the street. I'm trying to get on the streets. Like, I ain't worried about all that, for real. I'm just trying to get out on the streets. So I went back to the drawing board. I was Googling some cheaper dual sport joints. I seen the joints on the Amazon. I said, nah. Every time I YouTube them joints, I said the little, I forget what they was called. I think the Hawk 250. I was desperate. I said the Hawk 250. I said they want 18. I said, I don't care. Then I started YouTubing it. Everybody was talking about all the back brake messing up. Soon as they the back brake messing up soon as they get their bike. The back brake. I said, oh nah. I said, nah, I can't do that. I said, I'm trying wheelie. I said, I've been looking up them wheelies. I said, nah. I said, I'm trying to wheelie. I said, I can't do that if the back brake keep going out on everybody's Hawk 250s. I was like, nah, let me chill on that. I said, all right, I'm just trying to hit the streets. So I'm like, all right. So now I'm like, oh, hold on, I missed my turn talking for real. Now I'm like, all right. I said, hey, babe, they talking about motorcycle lights. They talking about the back brake going up on these. I'm like, what am I gonna do? I said, all right, I'm about to get that 50. I said, I'm gonna get that 50. No light. I said, I don't need no motorcycle license. It's an alright price, you feel me? I'm like, I'm just trying to hit the streets. So I just grabbed that 50, and that's how, you feel me, the boy, only 50cc came about right then and there. That same day, for real. The next day, I said, hey, man, I'm going to get that 50. I called the people. They open tomorrow. I'm going to run up there, and we going to grab that, for real. And that's how the show started. Just like that, for real. That's straight facts. That's facts right there. I wasn't looking at no YouTube, nobody, nothing, bro, nothing. I was just bored, for real. I was bored. Like I said, even before all this, I ain't riding no dirt bikes. I wasn't riding outside no pedal bikes or nothing. I wasn't doing none of this, yo. So, yeah, it all happened quick, you feel me? So after the scooter, what happened with the scooter after I got the scooter, I was like, all right, I want to get a pedal bike, because I want to, damn, I put my high beams on. I wanted to learn how to, I wanted to wheelie the pedal bikes around the neighborhood, for real. I said, yeah, I'm trying to get one of them. So I ended up getting a mountain bike, for real. Then I started YouTubing it after that. I said, damn. I said, what these is? Why everybody got these bikes? They got them SC joints. I said, I need one of them. I got my mountain bike, for real. I still got it. I got a Swim. I went to Dick's Sporting Goods, got me a Swim, for real. That thing was $400. That thing was $400, for real. I went to Dick's Sporting Goods, got me a new Swim, for real. I said, I messed up. I need one of these SE joints like everybody else going crazy. I said, all right. So I went to go look for an SE bike. I went to go get an SE bike. They ain't had none at the store I went. To. So they was like, I went out by my mother's house to go get one, for real, at the time. And they was like, the only closest store is another store in Baltimore. It was like, from where I was at the time, it was like 40 minutes down there. So we like, damn. Man, I was on the website. I thought they had one up there. I said, dang. Hey, they just sold out. They don't got no more. I called the other store in Baltimore. They was like, yeah, we got one left. I said, how much? Yo screamed out like 800. like 800 or something. I said it was like 800 or 900 because it was a certain type. But I ain't gonna cap with y'all. I forget the type it was. Really forget the type it was. So I ain't even gonna sit here and cap for real. But it was something. It was a big flyer or something. But it was like, it wasn't the small. It was like the big wheel joint, like the 26 or 28 inch or something like that. 26 inch tires on it. The joint was clean. Like, I looked up on the website after he told me the colorway and all that. I said, yeah, that's clean. That's clean. But so I went to go. So let's rewind back. I'm around my mother way, and we went to go get the bike. They ain't have it, like I said. So I said, I'm with BB. She like, why don't you just get a dirt bike or something then? I said, damn, you know, I wanted. See, originally I wanted the dual sport dirt bike, but I was like, the funds, it was like, damn. I was like, damn. I was looking at the couch. I was looking at the bike I got right now. If I was looking at this bike right here, like literally, before I even got this joint, I was looking at this like months before I even grabbed this joint. Like, it was crazy. Like, but she was like, why don't you just get a dirt bike? I said, damn, dirt. I said, what if I'm gonna ride a dirt bike? I said, I ain't really trying to ride no dirt bike on the street. Let alone, like I said, I'm not in Baltimore right now or nothing like that. So I'm like, I'm not even trying to ride no dirt bike on the street right now. You can't just be riding dirt bikes on the street anywhere. You feel me? So I'm like, nah, that's a little bit too hot right now for me. In my lifestyle, I'm just cooling, like I'm chilling. I ain't got no time for no police. I said, I'm just cooling right now. I'm just trying to do me, have fun. You feel me? Just cooling with it. Like, I'm just like, yeah, I don't got time to be doing all that. Plus, I ain't even know how to wheelie or nothing. So what am I be just driving my joint around the streets? I said, nah, that's dead. I wasn't even trying to get no dirt bike. She was like, just get one. So we go up there. I'm like, I don't even know how to drive no damn dirt bike for real. My brother, like I said, y'all heard the other story in my old video. My brother had dirt bikes. I got an older brother. He had dirt bikes in the quads. So, you feel me? I think I rode his dirt bike like one time. He ain't let me ride his dirt bike. He let me ride his quad. He had an Yamaha Blaster. He had a Honda XR 100. You feel me? He let me ride that joint like one time. He let me ride his dirt bike. He was petty. Yeah, so we at the jump. We get the semi. Cause I was like, I wanted the clutch, but I didn't at the same time. Cause I was like, yo, you don't got none with the clutch on it? And he was like, nah, we just got these right now. I said, damn. He said, no, you ain't never ride no dirt bike. This would be good for you. He's like, this would be good for you. It's a semi. It still got the gears, but you don't got no clutch. I'm like, you sure, bro? This is crazy. He's like, yeah, this would be good for you. Like, you'll have fun on it. I said, all right, bro. I said, all right, let's get him. Let's get him. We take him back. Man, I'm having fun on that damn semi when I touched down with the semi, yo. I said, damn, this is hella fun. Then I fell in love with the noise. I'm like, damn, this going barking for real. I said, this is a 125. I gotta imagine what a 450 feel like. And that's it's not even a real 125. It's just like a little pit bike. Like, it's not even like, it's an SSR, so it's not even like the top of the line 125, you know? Just something light. And I was having too much fun with that, man. Sheesh. And then after like what? So I was like, damn, babe, you gotta try this. She on there having fun. Everybody having fun. I'm like, all right, I gotta get a bigger bike though. I said, the tires on this one is just a little bit too small. That's when I got the SSR 125 big wheel. I said, yeah. I went to the store. I was hyped. I said, yeah. As soon as I got that 125 big wheel, I was like, yeah. So I was like, hey, man, you had this one. And I was like, damn, my daughter, I let her, she was riding the same. I'm like, all right, we need one more. Everybody ride dirt bike, yo, we need one more. Let's go to the trails and all that. Let's go to the little MX joint and have some fun for real. So guess what? That's when I get the SSR 150. I'm a straight rookie. I'm a straight newbie. You know what I mean? I don't know no better. I'm just in it, just buying them joints up. So we get the 150 back home. I'm like, yo, this crazy. What the hell is this? Then I try to go wheelie it. I'm like, damn, what the hell am I doing? I can't even wheelie this joint. This shit crazy. I'm like, damn, what am I getting into? I'm like, how is they wheeling these bikes? How is they doing this? Like, I'm confused. I'm like, damn, like they got this joint scraping the fender and I can't even pick it up for real. I'm like, whoa. I'm like, how they doing this? I'm trying to have fun like, damn. All I can say is, the moral of this story is, just have patience. Everything take time. But in a matter of time, if you stick to something, you can do it. I see y'all in the next video, man.